Everything is fine now. Everything is good, guys.
Yes, Ravi, everything is fine.
Yes, Ravi, it's all good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start.
We
Okay.
continue, sir.
Yeah, here path is there. Inside that path, what we will do now, we will specify that what key and what is that equal to dollar symbol, right? Value will decide our application at a runtime, guys. Okay, at a runtime. Okay, value will specify at a runtime. Okay, so we will take the value. Okay, just value. Okay, this is the syntax now, guys. Okay, so actual how we will write it, see this. Okay, so actually we will take what we will take in the anchor tag only, anchor th colon what href equal to what in at the rate symbol, right? At the rate symbol, after the open bracket, open curly bracket and a close curly bracket slash what is that product. Amrani, you are there? Delete. Delete, right? Delete. After then what? After then we will specify what ID. ID equal to dollar symbol, right? Because we will specify the variable, right? And after then we specified already, right? Dollar symbol, open bracket, close bracket, right? Open bracket, close bracket. After then what? Ob dot what? Ob dot prod ID, right? Prod ID. Like this we will write. Okay, like this we will write at the runtime. What is that? Our what? Our serial number. Whatever our database will generate serial number. Based on that serial number, what will happen now? Our data will is delete, guys. Okay, our data will is delete. So nothing more. What we will do now? Come to our application. First, what we will do now? Come to our application. So here I'm increasing one more field. Okay, th colon what? Th colon, here I'm increasing one more operation. Operations. The spelling is correct, guys. OPERA.
Yes, correct, Ravi.
Yes. Okay, operations now, guys. Okay. So here what I'm going to do now, one more I'm going to increase it. What is that th here? Th, I'm increasing one th, right? Inside that what I'm going to do now, just I
Delete.
wrote, right? So copy this one. From here to here, copy this one. Okay, paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Okay, so now here, what is that? Here just delete. Okay, delete it. So here, what is that product data, right? Product data delete, and what is that URL rewriting? Okay, URL rewriting. Okay, so you want to see this? Okay, so till now we are not writing any controller, so we will get what is that 404, but you can observe it. Okay, guys, you can observe it. Okay, on the URL, right? So just I'm refreshing this. Here, delete button is increased, right? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
Everyone.
Ravi.
Here,
Yes,
delete.
Ravi, yes, reflecting.
Okay, so whenever we will click on the delete button, right? URL rewriting means what? It will add what is that? What is the ID now? Based on the ID only we will delete.
190.
We will delete the record, right, guys? Come on. If we want to delete this record, based on that, what we will do now? Based on that, what is that ID only we can delete it or not? Come on.
Yes, right,
Yes.
correct, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi, correct.
Okay, so what? Whenever you will click observe this URL, right? Observe this URL. We will get what is that 404, guys. Okay, but what is that? But still, just our intention to observe this URL and just recognize it. What at the time? Why I explain this concept to you people? Now click. I'm clicking on that. See that URL. What is that? Just observe the URL. It's a become request query parameter or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, become.
correct, yes.
Okay, so now, okay, good. So okay, Whenever I will click on the delete the second one, 2, okay, 2. Here, what is that? First, whenever I'm clicking here, what is that? What is the ID is now, guys? 1, right?
1.
1, nah, come on.
1.
Yes, but
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
1.
Whenever I'm same things, okay, same link button. What is that? Whenever I'm clicking on that, see here, what it will come
2.
now, guys? 2,
Two.
guys.
2.
Yes.
2.
So okay, good. Okay, so come back again. Whenever I'm clicking here, what is that? 3? What it will come here now, guys?
3.
So based on this ID, we can delete it or not, guys?
Yes.
yes, Ravi, yes.
Okay.
Model attribute.
Okay, so now guys, good. Request parameter, remember or not, guys? Param request @, what is that request param?
Yes, remember.
Yes, annotation.
Remember, Ravi.
If we want to send a single record, because till now we are working on the object, so because of that we are reading, but sometime I said that sometime we have need to send one record also from the URL, right? So how we will read the single record from the single record data in what our controller default? I shown that, guys. Okay, default. Okay, if not, we will send what error we will get. I hope the people are remember.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, remember.
Yes, Ravi, remember.
Why I explain, guys, that concept? Because of that this region only. See this, how much usage is there for that like what a request parameter now. Okay, guys. So
Yes, Ravi.
if anything, just and Sudhir, one more question was your question was there, Ravikant, where we will use the this concept in the real time scenario performance issue, all those. See this in the application, I'm seeing each and everything or not based on the performance, based on that memory, everything I'm taking care in the application now, guys. Okay, so whatever
Right, right.
whatever our explanation is there, all conclusion I'm going to give in this small application, guys. Okay, please be careful. And what if you practice what our session only, no need to learn from anyone Spring Boot and Spring. Okay, it's my challenge, and except that there is nothing extra things is there to use in the real time also, guys. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Ravi, sure.
Sure.
Okay,
Yes.
Ravi, sure.
Okay, so what is that? Okay, so here what we specify the URL, right? But whenever we will click on that, right, based on that our requirement is what we will take the one record ID and we have need to delete it, guys. Okay, so delete it, right? Now, so first what we will do now, let's understand working functionality, guys. Okay, let's understand what working functionality first. Okay, so what is that? We will create one link, right? So here what is that? See this. Okay, see this one. Okay, so this is our what? This is our what? Data, the product data, right? Product data page, right? Product data dot what? HTML, right? Product data dot HTML. So here what is that? ID is there now, guys. Here what? ID is there. Here ID is there, and what? Here what? A link is there. Links are there, right? So here just think about that. Here what? One ID is there, and here what? Two ID is there, right? Here one ID is there, and here two. Here what? Delete. Delete one, and here what? Delete two. Delete. Okay. So whenever we are clicking that, right? Whenever we are clicking that, what will happen now? What will happen now? Here what? Delete URL will call, right? Delete slash what is that? ID equal to what? It will become, just think about that. If we are clicking the first record, right, in the one record, click, so delete ID equal to what? Delete ID equal to what? Pin it will become, na? Come on, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
question mark, right?
Yes.
So
Yes, Ravi.
okay, so then what will happen now? The request will go to our controller now, guys. Then what will happen now? Our request will go to controller now, guys. Good. Our request will go to our controller. Then inside that our controller, how we will read this ID now, guys? Anyone remember it? Come on.
Request.
Request param.
Request.
Good.
Request param.
Request param.
Go, very good, very good. Request param. We will use it, and what we will do now, we will specify a local data type, right? A data type, local data type plus what is that? What is that? Key. based on the key, what we will do now, we will call the service method. We will call the service method, right? We will call the service
Yes, sir.
method. Yeah. After then what will happen now? Then request will go to our what? Service class object. Service class, right? Then what will happen now? Our request will go to our service class, guys. Okay. Our request will go to what? Service class now, guys. Okay. So good. Here, what is that service and what is that? Just in the same one. Service and what? Service and what? DAL, data access layer. Inside that data access layer, what we will do now? We will specify one method. What is that? Delete what? Delete product. Delete product, right? Delete product. Based on that its argument, we will take the ID, guys. Okay, ID. Okay, we will specify in the service layer one method, and this method will call what is that? Anyone remember in the GPA how we will delete one record now, guys? Anyone that method remember it?
Delete.
Delete by
Delete
ID.
by ID, delete all, like this.
Delete
Eh,
all. Delete.
No,
Delete by ID.
but
Remove,
we are,
remove.
but here what is that? Based on that, if we want to click only one record, we have need to delete, not all, guys. So based on clicking that
But
one.
delete by ID, Ravi.
Yes, very good. So we will take the repo dot what? Delete by,
Delete
right?
by ID.
What is the method now? Delete by ID, right? ID method is
ID,
there.
Ravi.
Yeah, and this one will take the argument of what? ID. Okay, so after then what will happen now? Based on this method, our application will hit our database, right? Our application will hit our database, and from that matching record, right? One record will collect from the delete from the database, right? One row will delete from the database. One row will delete from the database. After then what will happen now? Then it will return to, then request will come to our what? Controller class, right? Controller class. And what we will do now in the controller class, what we will do now, guys? So we will load the new data, right? We will load the first, what we will do now? We will load the new data. After deleting the record, in the what? Controller, we will load the new data. Load what? Load new data. Load new data. After then what we will do now? We will send the message. We will send the message, and what we will do now? We will store. This is the model memory now, guys. Based on the model memory, we can send it, right? This is the model memory, right? After then what we will do now? We will give the message to our what? In the user on the what? Product page. Okay, this is the working functionality of what? Product data. Shall we start the work? Shall we start to doing the
Yes,
practical
Ravi,
on
please,
this?
go ahead.
Yes,
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 sir.
yes.
Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So let's work on this area now, guys. Okay. So let's work on that. Okay. So good, guys. So okay. So first, where we will go now? To deleting the record now. Come here. Okay. So always we will develop the, our development will start from the
repository.
child to parent.
Parent.
Already in the repository that method is there. So where we will go now? Service class, right? Service interface, right? First we will go in the service interface now, guys. So good. So here what is that? So come here. Okay, let's specify one abstract method first. Okay, public here we will take the void method. Return type we will take now, guys, void. Okay, so delete what? Delete product. Delete product, and its argument is what? Integer ID, right? See, this one only I explain now. Come on. ID.
Yes, sir.
ID.
Yes, Ravi, yes.
Argument is ID, but here anything I did not take in what? Return type, right? Return type is not there. Okay, guys. So here, but argument is what? Int now. So okay, so come here. Okay, so now good. So come to its implementation class now, guys. Okay, so here what we will do now? Override. Alt shift S plus V. Override that method now. Here just delete it. Okay, here just delete the things, and what we will do now? Here we will take the repo, right? Repo dot, what is the reference of what? Repository repo, right? Repo dot what? Delete
By ID.
delete by what? ID, right? Come on. And what we will do now?
ID.
We will pass
Yes,
this
Ravi.
ID inside that. Okay, good. So now our method is ready now, guys. Okay. Our method is what? Ready now, guys. Okay, good. So, okay. So what we will do now? Let's come to our what? Controller class. Okay. Let's come to our what? Controller class. And in the controller class, what we will do now? We will write the logic. Okay.
Only the columns. Yes.
To expose our what page now our okay. So here what is that? See this what we seen this here now. First what we will do now, load the new data from the database. If we delete the one record, right, then one record will be not there. Okay, so what we will do now, we will load the new data. So come here. Okay, come to our controller class. So here product controller, right? So now let's write one method here. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, public what? Remove product. Inside that what I'm going to do now, return what? Which page we will return it now, guys? Because list of product data, right? This product, because we will again we have need to see the data on this page only, right? Again we have need to see the data on what? This page only, right? Because if we delete it here, only one record will delete. So because of that, we have need to expose this page only, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi, correct.
Okay, so come here. Okay, so here, but what is that? So, but what? Come here. Whenever we will click on that, right? Whenever we will click on that record, but in the request, what is that? This ID will go, right? This ID we have need to read in the controller. So come here. So how we will read it now, guys? So this one, right? See this, like this, our data will come. But what we will
Request
do now?
param.
In our controller, we have if we want to read what is the request URL, right? So how we will read it? Using what? Request parameter na.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good.
Mm.
Okay, good. So come here. Okay, so here what we will take now, here first let's take a get mapping, right?
Delete mapping, Ravi.
No need. Okay, so here what is that? Get here we will take the delete, right? Okay, good. So here what is that? Come here. Inside that what? At the rate here
ID.
at the rate request or
Param.
request param. Request param, after then what? Integer what I'm taking? ID, right? Integer I'm taking what? ID. Good. Oh, sorry. So here what we will do now, we will specify here what? ID. 1 minute here. ID only will come, right? Because we taken the ID here. Yes, good. Okay, so here what we will do now, integer PID I'm taking that. Why? Okay, good. Got it. Here return type.
Ravi, return type.
Yeah, return type is what?
Ravi, here delete mapping or get mapping only.
Sorry.
Here delete mapping annotation or get mapping.
No. Delete mapping annotation will work inside that our what? Inside our REST. Okay, not here.
So UI or
Yes, here only we will use what? Get and post only.
okay, Ravi. Okay.
If we I will show it also, right? If we take here, right, delete mapping, then we will get error. Okay,
Okay, Ravi. Okay.
no issue.
Please see once. Okay.
We will experiment
Yeah.
on that one. So here,
Okay.
so here, come here now, guys. So here, what is that? First, we will delete. After deleting, we will load the data, right? We will load the data in our what? Here, application, in the application only, guys. So what I'm going to do now, service dot what? Delete, right? Delete by what? ID. So what is that? PID, right? PID, good. Okay, so now whenever we will click on that button, request will come in this method, and what is that based on that? It will hit to service class and the repository will delete the data. right? After then what we will do now, guys? So okay, so here we will get what product data is deleted, right? So here we will, let's take what one string what string, let's take message only. Message equal to what? Let's say product deleted, product deleted. It is perfect here. Okay, good, no issue. Let's take it. Okay, product deleted, right? Product deleted plus ID also we will take ID here. This ID is deleted now. Okay, this is the message now, guys. Okay. Okay, good. After then what we will store in the model memory.
PID.
Okay, so if we want to expose this data to what? Sorry.
PID.
Yeah, so here we will increase what is that model. My voice is clear, guys.
Yes, Ravi, it's PID, deleted PID.
Yeah, good, good. Very nice. Okay, fine. So this ID will be deleted now. Okay, guys. So after then what if we want to send this data to our what UI? So what is that model?
Model dot added to it.
Model dot.
Added.
Okay, MSG message. Okay, fine. Good. Good. After then what we will do now? But guys, if we send this message, but what is that? List of data also they need, right? Because which page our what is which page our application is exposing now product data, right? So here what is that? We have need to send the list of data, and otherwise what we will get exception now. Come on. If we not send, because here what is that? Our application expectation is what to read the list of data, but if we not send the list of data, then what will happen? Our application will what give error. Okay, so because what list of data we have need to expose it, right? Also because after deleting that what one record, what another record also will show on that page. So just copy this one only, and here come to here and paste it here, nothing more. Okay, so after then what product data is there, right? Come here, product data is there, and here just I'm writing what message. I'm taking what one span here what ph colon text equal to dollar symbol MSG. That's it. To reading the message, this because this controller will expose this, right? This message, right? So this message also I want to read on the same page only, right? So now, guys, everything is completed. So you want to see that our application is working perfect now.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so good. Okay, we are getting right at this page, right? So here what I'm going to do now, add mobile code and what cost, right? 20, just what RK and sample. Now save it. One record is saved, another record, one more laptop, and another one is what? Just 200 and something Oracle sample only. Now save it. Two record, now click on that, right? Click on that. I want to delete the laptop. So shall I click on that?
Yes,
Everyone,
Ravi. You will get a message now.
Yes.
One record is deleted, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
See, based on the
Yes,
thing,
Ravi.
and here we are getting the message also. See this.
Yes, Ravi.
Two
Yes,
record.
Ravi. Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Which record will be deleted now, guys? Which record be deleted?
2.
2 and
2
product ID.
deleted.
2, right? If you want to click on that, this record also will delete. If you want to see this in the database, there is no record. Come on, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ravi. Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect.
So
Ravi,
in
please
the
once model controller class.
so here in this remove product method, one by one step. First,
Okay, Ravi.
okay.
Yeah.
First product will be deleted. Later the message will be displayed.
Yeah. First product,
Yes, sir.
and a message will be deleted. After then, what is that? The same page, right? This data,
Yeah.
this data page need what is that? A list of data, right? Otherwise, what is that? Because already see this here on the page, list of data is coming, right? If we not send, then what we will get now? We will get error. Why? I want to show this. Don't worry. I will
So
show this.
one in the controller, in that method, one by one, all the
Yes,
steps will be
yes.
happened.
Whatever data is there, those data is loading now in the controller and exposing it now again.
Okay, got it, sir.
See this here already. First what we are doing now. First, after deleting that, what I'm doing now, after deleting, I'm loading the data and what I'm packing.
Displaying message.
I'm packing the data in what? In the model memory, and what I'm exposing the data into what? Our UI now. So same things. See this here? What I'm deleting the data, right? After deleting that, what things I'm doing now? I'm what is that? I'm loading the R record, whatever record is there in the database, current record. Because after deleting the record, we can't expose this right suddenly. So we have need to load that data in our controller, right? So based on this one, what get all whatever
Yes,
record is there, that record I'm loading inside that this product class now. Okay. After then I'm exposing now to our that page.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Nice.
So okay, so next one is what? Next concept is too much lengthy now, guys. Okay, lengthy concept is there, right?
Update.
First, what is that? Update only. So we have need to create what? Edit form. Last concept in the MVC, guys. Okay, so there I hope you remember. I shown that whenever in the server, right? Just I'm writing the data and that data is showing on the here page. Whatever.
Correct, Ravi. Yes.
So based on that concept only, I'm going to explain it. This concept now, guys. Are you ready?
Yes, Ravi. Ready.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, Ravi. Ready. Please go ahead.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir. Ready, sir. We
okay.
continue.
And now it's totally bored, guys. Or really you people are enjoying the session now?
No, Ravi, we are
Yes, sir. Yes,
observing
sir.
the
Interesting. We are enjoying.
Okay, see this, guys, how I'm designing the application, and even in front of you only, it's not meaning that is suddenly I'm showing the result also now, guys. If you click on this button again, you will get this form, right? You can put that data, right? After then what you will do now, then you will, if you want to see this, the record will come.
Yes, Ravi.
So there, why you are just silent, totally silent, man?
No, Ravi, not silent. I'm completely listening. I'm enjoying the session. I'm responding to your questions also.
Okay, good. Okay. So,
We are recollecting the flow, Ravi. Then we
Yes,
can
yes.
remember well.
The
Yeah.
last class I'm recollecting actually.
Yes. Yeah. Even I do the same.
see, I'm not using extra wording also. Just what is it? I'm designing the project. The design of our project only different, and concept, whatever concept I completed, those concept only I'm using in the application now, guys. Anything extra I'm using here?
Yeah.
No.
No, Ravi.
If we
Extra.
put that flow in the
No,
mind,
Ravi.
then it will be easy.
Sorry.
if we put this flow in the mind, it will be easy to learn also, Ravi. That's
yes,
what we
yes.
are trying to
Uh,
get
yes,
it. Yeah.
yes. So
But
But to
it's,
before
yeah, you have
explaining
to-
this concept, we have explained the diagram flow also. So that
yes,
is making much easier.
yes.
Yes, Ravi, yes.
So that is only.
Ravi,
Yes.
I am doing practical also with you only right now.
No, don't do this one. If you
It's
do,
difficult to follow.
then no, Satish, it's a very bad habit. Okay. So
Yeah, yeah,
after completing the session, you have to do it. Okay. So,
yeah, yeah. Sure, sure.
so okay, guys. So one more thing, guys. I'm requesting to you people. Just I need what 20 minutes. I mean, actually, I have little bit work. Okay, so give me 20 minutes. Again, we will connect 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, okay, then we will finish that task. Okay.
Okay, take
Okay,
your
Ravi,
time.
Okay,
sure.
Ravi.
Yeah.
Okay,
Take
take
30
your time,
minutes
please.
also, Ravi, not a
No,
problem.
no, not a 30 minutes. Guys. Okay, 20 minutes only, right? So here what? Let's connect 6:40. 6:40. Now 18 is happening now here in India. What? 6:18 is happening now. 20:40.
Yeah.
6:40 we will.
6:45, Ravi.
Okay, 6:45.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, Ravi.
okay,
It's
guys.
45, right?
Yeah, 6.
Yeah.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, guys. Okay, so we will connect after 20-25 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Ravi.
Mhm.
Bye.